All right, guys, we are almost ready, and I want us to dive into the Magnet website very, very soon. You are going to see this coming live and live. You can see this is really awesome, guys. This is awesome. We have been waiting for this. Let me just walk you through this website. As we are getting ready for the launch of Magnets. Yeah, Magnet is here. You see, this is a global blockchain platform with innovative tools and products for building a high profitable business operating fully decentralized. Here, if you click on income calculator, you'll be able to calculate your income. But I don't want to waste time. This video, I don't want it to get too long. All right, if you click on the menu here, if you click on the menu, you can see, click on main, about us, ecosystem, roadmap. You can see all of these things. You can change language from here, all right, and see different languages that we have already. Okay, so right now let's walk through about us. Magnet is focused on creating perfect balance between technology and financial opportunities in Web3, highlighting key developments vectors that will open new horizon of possibilities for you. All right, marketing main option. Magnet has developed a revolutionary financial connection system to create the most efficient income source for every user. All right, you can invest in products of magnets, can buy tools that will enable you to build profitable business for yourself. Gamified and play to earn. Gamified and play to earn. This is a combination of technologies such as DeFi, NFT, play to earn, etc., allowing seamless integration into magnets and earning from simple actions. The passive income. Magnet has developed a large number of products and tools that enables absolutely passive earnings for both beginners and professionals. Magnet is a Web3 company, is the foundation. This is the foundation of Magnet and the path to financial opportunities and innovations that we have developed and brought together in one place. Magnet is the safest and the best start for a high profitable business in Web3. What about Magnet ecosystem? Let's look at the infrastructure. The infrastructure and security that Magnet has put in place. We have account obstruction, a voting system, multi-sig, Magnet token, NFT magnets, Magnet finance, creating vote, financial management, and so on. Then we'll talk about the partnership program. The partnership program will have program 1, program 2, program 3, which is a bonus program. Educational products are here: learn to earn, Magnet AI, crypto magnets, and so on. Then we have traffic tools: smart link, Telegram admin bots, Telegram passer, Telegram inviter, WhatsApp broadcast, and then WhatsApp passer. We have some financial tools here, which is arbitrage scanner. We have bingo, AI analytics, rate betting, and betting on crypto rates. Gamified, we have gaming here: NFT gaming, crypto magnets, play to earn, learn to earn, metaverse, tours, beat the hamster, wheel of fortune. You can see, guys, there's a lot of products here. The passive incomes here, we have labor exchange market, which is called job exchange. We have dividend from global turnover, VIP account, farming, NFT market, staking, learn to earn, lotteries, pulse token, and wheel of fortunes are all passive income tools of magnets. We have the crypto products. We have the DEX, Magnet wallet, NFT marketplace, crypto do, cross chain, and bridges. We have pulse token, lottery builder, which is called lottery constructor. All right, then you can actually buy magnet token through pre-sale, do NFT harvest, token, magnet token, index, magnet finance, and launchpad. All these are tools that you can use to invest, and then you make money for yourself. What's the ideology of product connection? The main principles and advantage of The ecosystem is the selection of products and the depth of their interconnections. Products are not just gathered randomly. Each element has its specific place and meaning within the ecosystem. All products are interconnected through marketing programs and are permitted with multitude of conceptual link, where one product complements another, motivate users to engage with a third and participate in more actively in the ecosystem as a whole, increasing your structural income. Then the core of the project is the NFT. NFT magnet is the key to the entire ecosystem opportunities. The higher your NFT level, the more product, income, and unique benefits are available to you on the platform. Then we have the NFTs in the magnet ecosystem. Is not just a technology, it's a key element that determines your status and access level to all platforms, opportunities, and products. The NFT is the heart or the core of the ecosystem, granting access to exclusive investment in tools, passive incomes, and advanced products. The higher the NFT level, the more the privileges you're going to have. In the magnets, NFT technology, not just about collecting, but a personal key to financial opportunities and inclusive access to the entire ecosystem infrastructure. The coin description, the MGT, which is magnet token, is the native asset of the magnet ecosystem, representing a valuable asset directly supported by all products, programs of the magnet ecosystem. 5% of each financial transactions in the ecosystem is automatically divided into two parts. First half goes into buyback and token burning, and then the second half goes to a liquidity pool on the DEX exchange. This ensures the magnet token remains fundamentally deflationary, liquid, and promising crypto asset. Now, we go to the roadmap. Okay, the roadmap, you can see a lot. Quarter one 2022 is research and development, deep market research and analysis. Quarter one already completed. Quarter 2 to 3 is 6 months of concepts, architecture, and ideology development for magnets, already concluded. Then we have quarter 4 2022 to quarter 1 2025 is 2.5 years of products, tools, and service development for magnet ecosystem. All right, so you can see it. If you click on number 2, it is going to bring you again. This is quarter 4 2024, the launch of crypto magnets. Quarter 2 2025, pre-launch of magnet stage 2. Quarter 2 2025 is pre-launch of magnet stage 2 again, balance replenishment. That is when you are going to top up your wallet balance, going to happen in quarter 2. Then you move on, you see quarter 2 also distribution of bonus level NFT magnets. All right, that is when automatic activation is going to be done. Then pre-launch of magnet stage 3, users activation, where you can now go ahead and use your hand to activate magnet yourself. All right, then quarter 2 2025 also is activation of status NFT magnets, when you now have an avatar inside the ecosystem that represents you as an NFT. Then quarter 2 2025 is also official launch of magnet ecosystem. Quarter 2 2025 is activation of NFT Telegram admin version 1. All right, and then quarter 2 also 2025 is the launch of Telegram admin bots, also version 1 of it. Then quarter 2 2025 is launch of Pulse coins. All right, and distribution. This is also version 1. Then we have the second half of 2025, activation of NFT market, passive marketing bonus. Okay, activation of NFT passive marketing bonus. Okay, that is second half of the year. Then we have launch of a passive marketing bonus reward magnet version 1. That is also in quarter 2 of, that is the second half of 2025. Then we have launch of account obstruction right? We also have in this second half activation of NFT multi-signature version 1, launch of multi-sig. Then also in second half, we have launch of Telegram AI assistant, launch of Telegram parser also, and then we have activation of NFT secret box. All right, all of these things is going to happen in second half of 2025. Launch of NFT secret box game, all right, and then launch of magnet coin pre-sale phase 1 is going to happen in second half of 2025. Activation of NFT smart link, all right, also will happen in second half. Launch of magnet link, also magnet smart link will happen, and then distribution of coin airdrop, that is magnet airdrop stage 1 will be distributed in second half of 2025. Activation of NFT fortune wheel will happen also in second half of 2025. Then launch of fortune wheel will also happen, launch of cost betting, okay, and then okay, that will be in the first quarter of 2026, launch of cost betting. You can see there's a whole lot of products we don't know about here now. We also have the first half of 2026, launch of betting on crypto rates. Then we'll have launch of VIP accounts first half of 2026, launch of magnet marketplace, that is NFT marketplace, is in second half, first half of 2026. Launch of win-to-win lottery also will happen. Then we have launch of academy also happening in first quarter of 2026. Then we have launch of magnet global turnover, that is dividend turnover of magnet, will happen in the first half of 2026. The launch of labor exchange market will follow. We'll have launch of learn to earn second half. We'll have launch of DAO voting system. Then we'll now move on to launch of magnet bonus program. Then in the same second half, we'll have launch of arbitrage, that is a cryptocurrency arbitrage scanner, will be launched in second half of 2026. Then we'll have launch of magnet token, the listing on DEX SEX phase 1, okay, in second half of 2026. The launch of crypto AI analyst, that is what will help us with the magnet index, will happen also in second half. The launch of magnet index, this is where you can actually invest in crypto. Then first half of 2027, we'll have launch of magnet finance. There's a whole lot of products of magnet finance. Launch of magnet wallet will come also. Launch of the main magnet dex will come, and then launch of crypto do is going to happen in that first half of 2027. Launch of farming and staking. Then we'll have launch of staking also. I've mentioned that. Launch of lottery builder, which is called lottery constructor right now. And then launch of magnet finance launch pad, okay, where people will now be launching their project in magnet ecosystem. Launch of magnet finance launch pool, okay, and then launch of magnet finance harvest, the same second half of 2027. And then launch of magnet pre-sale, okay, magnet pre-sale second half of 2027. Then launch of magnet lending, then the launch of the metaverse of magnets. Okay, all of these things are not, there are specific products that were not listed, okay, specific products, and this roadmap will be updated every 3 months. You will continue to see more and more products that are being added the way they are coming, guys. So you can see it's live. It's live very, very soon. The moment the migration from the clicker bot is done successfully, this website will be released to us, and then we'll start connecting our wallet. If you click here now, you'll be able to connect your wallet. Click here now. If I do this, I'll be able to select the wallets that I want to connect, and then I'll go ahead and connect it. So guys, there's no more time to wait. Magnet is here for us, and magnet is our key to success. Thank you, guys.